Community says its final goodbyes to a mother and key witness in an upcoming trial.
Family and friends of Bianca Horton gathered today for her funeral at Olivet Baptist Church.
Cortez Sims shot her daughter, and 2 others in a home invasion just last year. Officers say she bravely worked with them, and her death was even tragic for those who see violence every day.
54 Athens Park Bloods were indicted, and 44 of them were in court today. 44 defendants means 44 different attorneys, and the judge had to look outside of Hamilton County just to make sure there were enough people to represent them.
Bureau of Investigation says Chattanooga Police and the U.S. Marshals Service helped with the search and that arrest. Sims now facing several charges, including first-degree for the January 7th shooting at College Hill Court.
While he was only 17, he had already been in trouble with the law as well as multiple schools.
Which quickly filled up with accused Athens Park Bloods gang members, their families, and attorneys. In fact, it was so packed with lawyers, many didn't have anywhere to sit.
Are you represented by a lawyer? Are you able to afford to hire a lawyer?
Most of the defendants claimed they couldn't pay for their own attorney to fight these racketeering and conspiracy charges, but with such a large group of accused criminals, it was a struggle to find people who could represent them. Many of the lawyers who typically would take on these cases, like Hamilton County public defenders and criminal defense attorneys, had conflicts
First of all, investigators are searching for the person who shot an 8th grade boy to death at his Chattanooga home. Police and neighbors say 13-year-old DeAndre Southers wasn't the intended target, but he was the latest victim in an ongoing retaliation between 2 rival gangs, the Athens Park Bloods and the Bounty Hunter Bloods. 11 bullet holes were found in the East 50th Street house where DeAndre lived. His mother found him wounded downstairs, and her son died on the way to the hospital.
In 2018, a Tennessee grand jury indicted 54 members of the Athens Park Bloods, marking a significant effort to combat gang-related violence in Chattanooga. Among those indicted, 3 individuals, Andre Grier, Charles Shelton, and Courtney High, were charged with the May 25, 2016 demise of Bianca Horton. Horton was set to testify against fellow gang member Cortez Sims for the demise of Talitha Bowman, but was deleted before she could take the stand. Due to the nature of the crime, prosecutors sought the death penalty for Grier, Shelton, and High. In January 2019, District Attorney Neil Pinkston prioritized bringing these 3 defendants to trial in the capital case before proceeding with the broader RICO conspiracy case against the other defendants. The indictment also included other deletion charges linked to Athens Park Bloods members. Cortez Sims was charged with the January 20, 2014 deletion of 13-year-old DeAndre Southers. Curdell Collier, Martrell Arnold, and Johnny Clemens were charged with the June 25, 2014 deletion of Cedric Mikes. In addition to the charges for Bianca Horton's deletion, Courtney High was charged with 2 other deletions: the June 12, 2016 deletion of Jerica Jackson and the August 16, 2016 deletion of Marquise Jackson. The charge for Jerica Jackson's deletion was later amended to include RICO elements.